Hello and welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a long time since I've posted any content. I found it really difficult last few months, or probably over the last year, to get the content I've filmed actually edited and uploaded. Just time's not been on my side. A few things in my life taken over. I've been really busy with my construction, like business and joinery, and the farm effort as well has been in the background and taking up a little bit more of my time as well. So finding it difficult to sort of structure these instructional videos and get them uploaded, because anyone that's made of such a video will realise it's actually quite a lot of work. So I'm going to trial doing a bit more of a blog style upload to YouTube, so you should still get the content and the learning from it. You might just have to follow every video to follow a project, to keep updated on any particular project that I'm getting involved in. So please let me know what you think about this new format. This is going to be the first day of the sort of blog. I don't think I'll be able to do everyday uploads, but I'll try my best to keep the content as fluid as possible. I have loads of stuff filmed. I've got about 4 terabytes of footage over the past year, and none of it is edited. I'm still trying to get through the edit on a sash window videos that I did over 12 months ago. So I will get them out for anyone waiting for them sash window videos, but I'm gonna should be easier to just edit and upload these videos in the interim. So today you may have noticed we're not in the workshop, we're in the barn. This is the start of a new project for me. I've got some green oak coming. We're going to be making a huge green oak porch down the side of about a 14-metre long garage that connects in to the customer's house. So we're in the barn. We're going to be working in this space here. So it's Monday morning. I've got to create a bit of space in this barn here to get that oak in, get the delivery off the wagon, and then start working on it. Made slightly tricky this year with harvest, because everything's so catchy with the weather. This straw was fit to bale, but it's just on right on the borderline, so there's bits within it that are a bit greener than they ideally wanted to be. So we've had them stacked in this farm, which is sort of ventilated around the walls and just cooling off. So it's been in here for a couple of weeks now, so hopefully we can just go through a few of these bales, get them stacked out of the way. If we ran them up into a big stack straight away, straight off the field, and stack them in the barn, there's a huge risk of them catching fire, sweating up, and it ruins all the bales, if not catches fire. So we try to ventilate them as much as possible. So get on the trusty old mat, bro, and we'll start moving some stuff around. Trailer in the way. First thing I've got to do is just get the gate guards moved out of the way for when this lorry turns up. Put this camera system on the telehandler a little while ago, and it's superb for backing up to trailers. Look. I use top screen to give you general location. Be seeing more of this beast in the week to come. think if I can move all of this lot back in the shed, there's a gap at the back, give me enough space to work around here. I think I've got enough workspace now. We need to get through this with machinery. So if I just keep all my woodworking over there, I should have enough room for all this oak. So see what turns up. There might be quite a lot when it comes off the lorry. See, the bales aren't particularly fit. Some of them have gone a bit damp and fusty in the middle. So that's why we're not stacking them, ramming them up into a stack in the shed. It's going to be the right problem this year. So there we go, it's all safely in the shed. Some big beams there. I got a little bit stuck in the doorway, so I went and got some help. Tyre was a little bit low on the mat bro, and as you go up this step here, obviously when the second wheel comes up, it tilts the cab over with the tyre being low as well. I was getting bloody close to this pillar on the side of the door. So you have to crab your way in with long lengths. Obviously they don't fit straight through the door. And the extra weight of booming out like bobbed the back wheels around, like on the gravel behind. So I ended up stuck against this post, but brother George came to the rescue and just crab steered it out the way, and while he watched me and put a bit of air in the tyre, and we sorted it out. Anyway, this stuff is for a oak porch, and I'm going to be working on that over the next couple of weeks in between contract baling as well. So for the summer I'm driving a big baler, and there'll be a few videos on that featuring a bit of that as well when I'm doing that in the daytime. So I've got a project to work on here in the workshop or the barn, and something to do in between, which is baling. The customer wanted chunky oak frames, so is that for scale? These are like 300 by 100. They're going to be the braces on all the uprights. There's a fair few of them to make up, so I'll make a little jig to cut all the tenons and stuff of these. So it should be a good little video on that one. These are all legs for like uprights for the frame. Then the longer beams are like for along the top of the porch. Underneath got really chunky wall plates. So they're 3 by 9 wall plates that are going to go, and a ridge beam in the little porch. Then this pack here is the rafters, so these are all going to become rafters. The customer wanted everything to be really chunky. It's also going to be a boarded roof, so we've got some inch kiln dried character oak board in here to go in the roof as well. We've had that machined into like a floorboarding, just a standard floorboarding with a 6mm tongue with a sort of 10mm long tongue, 6mm wide. Straight gaps, and just have a bit of a nice gap on that, like a couple of mil, just a shadow gap through them boards on the top of the roof. So yeah, pretty exciting. We're just going to prep the workspace, get some benches down here, and make a start on making some jigs for doing the for the braces, I think. Got all the kit back in the shed and nipped down the field. It's fairly late in the evening. This time of year we always plant sunflowers for the birds and the bees, and we sell a few at the gate, so I have to come down to the field and pick them, get them ready to sell at the gate. So just pick a few now. It's a beautiful place to be actually in the evening when the sun's out, amongst the tall sunflowers. Just a happy spot to spend a bit of time. Hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you want me to continue doing the vlogs, then support it, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and I'll try and keep you filled in with what I get up to within a day. Don't think I'll be able to do daily uploads. It depends on how much content I've got with what I'm doing, but hopefully get 4 or 5 videos out a week, keep you a bit more up to date, and the more videos I'm doing, I guess the more info I can pass over and the more you can learn. So hopefully it works hand in hand. So with that, I'll see you on the next one.